I'm again with another CISSP success story, Rohan, who has cleared CISSP today. And this is a massive achievement for Rohan. CISSP is notoriously difficult. Often we call it an inch deep and a mile wide. So let's hear from Rohan. How was his overall experience with Cybernous? How was his exam journey and everything? So Rohan, welcome to the call. And once again, many congratulations to you.
Thanks, Pratima ma'am. And first of all, I really like to thank the entire Cybernous team, especially Manoj sir and you, for introducing me to this great platform where I not only managed to crack my CISSP on my first attempt, but apart from that, it also helped me to gain that underlying knowledge and what you call it as a deep vision on which whole CISP exam is designed. So I currently has a 15 years of network and security engineering background. And then once I was thought to what's next, should I look forward to move up in my career. So I had this aspiration of being a CISP, but never been very serious about it. I saw Divya testimony on LinkedIn, and then she tagged Cybernous in her testimony. So I followed Cybernous at that time, and that's how I connected to Cybernous and to you. And then you onboarded me in batch 47. So we started our journey with Manoj sir on 7th of September was our induction first batch. And from there, we finished our course in 100 days on 7th of December. So throughout this 100 days, Manoj sir, no, not enough words. You can't beat his caliber or anything with the words, but he was the whole sole reason why I managed to achieve this today. And in fact, there were very times when I thought oh man, I think it's too tough, especially when we were doing domain 3, which was divided into 3 weeks. I even asked once, if let's say, for example, somehow I don't clear, do I have a chance that you will offer me? Because initially he mentioned that if someone is not able to understand this whole program, they can walk away, and I will not say anything. So at that point in time, I asked, and I said, why you're thinking? You are a complete CISSP material. I see that in you completely. So don't worry, stay together, and we'll sail through. Those things really kept me together, and I keep looking forward. So completed all my daily schedules, no matter, because when I saw sir's approach, because he even asked me before we started our batch, he asked one of our Saturday or Sunday class to join to take a look and feel. And in that call, I saw when he was going through each of the batch members daily upgrade, and if someone has completed 100%, he was motivating others to look forward to that. So that level of closeness with a mentor was something which I've observed for the first time. I've been around for 15 years. I've seen how people come and go for trainings, 3 days, 5 days, boot camp, 10 days, 15 days. But this personal level mentorship where you feel so much connected and motivated, I think that's one thing which really stands this Cybernous journey out. Because in this entire period from August till I connected with you, and then from September till today, I never feel like I'm alone. No matter if it was a daytime or nighttime, I was always connected with sir on WhatsApp. And apart from that, I would say after finishing my batch, because it was a mandatory shutdown in December, I somehow could not book my exam straight away in January. And then because it was a mandatory period, I have to take 2 weeks off with my family. So when I came back in January, I collected myself again. And that time, sir allowed me to join both days, Saturday and Sunday gym session, because I had done my course, it's my revision. So he said, you're most welcome, whatever session you want to join and how much you want to learn, it would be beneficial for you to do a quick revision. And that really helped, because then the whole 1 month, because there were so many batches happening and all these batches were on different like weeks. So it helps, like some batch I was covering domain 3 and then the other batch I'm covering domain 7. So it was a quick revision for me. And then we decided a day, like, okay, on February this day, I think Rohan, you should give this exam. So with his blessing, I booked my exam and then here I am today. So I think, ma'am, that's all I want to add. I can speak more, but then it's like, as I said, words won't be enough for what Manu sir has done for my life. Trust me.
Exactly. And it's been really a privilege hearing about your path to success, Rohan. And your journey serves as an inspiration to many in cybersecurity fraternity who are really looking for the CISSP preparation. So thank you for your time and providing such valuable advice to our viewers. And congratulations once again on this outstanding achievement, Rohan. Many congratulations to you and best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.